Hi guys, my name is Mr. June. I'm showing you a video right now on how to put your grades into Eschool. This is a new system. It basically it changes a little bit, but I find it to be a little easier. So this is the process on how you would go by putting your grade book into Eschool. So you just go to your class. It's almost like a class, and as you could see right now, in my class. When the class comes up, the first thing that comes up, this icon right here is the attendance or the roster icon. You're gonna come down here to your grade book. This one is for your progress report. So I'll make a video on that one later, but right now this is your grade book. You click on your grade book right here. Once you launch the grade book, what you're gonna see is basically your grade. As you can see right now, I have my grade book done. So to add more or to create yours, all you have to do is for the first time, all you're gonna see is the kid's name and their ID number. To basically set up the grade book, all you do is go to setup right here, and what you will see is you will basically see this part is gonna be empty. All you're gonna do now is add categories. All right. So right now I have different categories that I have. So let's say if I want to add a category of quiz or test, I'll go right here. I'll type in test right here, and I'll type in test. Once I type that in, that's done. I could wait. I could just change the category to the weight. I could give it like 50%, 100%, whatever. The max grade, I could change the color, background, and so on. So I'll make it this one pink. And I'll press right here. It's going to ask you, do you want to publish on the portal? I always have mine set up as publish assignment and grade. If for some reason the kids cannot see it, you just have to remember to set this up as publish on the portal. Press save. Now, once you set up the test, you can see there's nothing here for test. So to add the assignment for test, so right here, I'm going to add test. So let's say if it was a test on computers, I'll type in computer test one right here, and I'll tell it the max grade is 100, and I'll add like another assignment. Let's say quiz. Let's say it was a final test or whatever test that I want. I'll type that in. Let's say this was let's say PC repair test. So I'll type that in, and that will go in. Now, if I wanted to share this with any of my classes, so after I'm done, I can go to copy assignment right here. No, first I have to press save right here. You have to save it first before you could share it with your other class. So if you have multiple class and you want to share this assignment with another class, just press copy assignments right here. You select the other class that you want to assign it to. You press compare. These two I just created is not here. Then you will press append, and then you press save. So right now I don't want these, so I'm just press cancel right now. Okay, so this is basically how you would put the assignment in the categories that you want. Now, if you want, after you're done, now if you want to put in your grade, what you'll see now, just click on attendant on the A right here for the grade book. If you go back right here, you see that it says PC repair, computer repair. These are the two tests that I just put in. They're different colors because there are different categories that I have. If you see these things right here, that means this assignment was due and the grades wasn't. So I basically want to change the due dates on mine. To do that, all you have to do is just go back to setup right here and select on the categories and just change the due dates. Very, very, very easy. So if anybody needs help in setting this up, if you cannot follow this instruction, please come and see me in room 137 and I'll show you how to do it. Thank you, and have a nice day.